So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about chocolate cake baking retailer shop. Are you the sort of person that watched the Great British Bake Off and thought I could win this? If yes, get on it and create a storefront to sell your awesome creations. At a basic level, you will need to be talented at a specific type of cooking, that is baking, chocolatier or cake making, and have all the kitchen equipment needed to produce at commercial scale, that is mixers, ovens, etc. You can start out of your kitchens at home. You will need to have a certified and hygiene rated kitchen and sell your creations at local farmers, local markets, online, and at fairs. One thing, marketing. Marketing this business initially is mostly about footfall at markets. From there, you will want to invest in a shop in a good location. Worth noting that custom wedding cakes fetch and premium. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care.